If precision is important to you, digital measuring tools are a must. Both of these tools from iGaging have large, easy-to-read displays. And by pushing this button, you can change between metric, decimal, and fractional displays without losing the original number. The 6-inch caliper has cleanly made jaws that make it easy to get accurate readings. It has a printed scale on the body that makes presetting the caliper easy and fast. The thumb wheel makes it easy to close the jaws with one hand on whatever you're measuring. Flip the caliper over and you can get an accurate dimension on surprisingly small holes. You can also measure hole depth with the digital caliper. When you open the jaws, this rod extends from the bottom end. With the body of the caliper sitting on the hole, you can extend that rod to measure the depth of the hole. But what the caliper does best is measure outside and inside dimensions. The snap depth gauge has all the same functions as the caliper, but it adds hold, and we'll look at the hold feature closer a little bit later. The snap depth gauge has a 4-inch overall range and comes with these extensions so you can set the best length for your job. With the depth gauge on a flat surface next to the hole, we push 0 to set that surface as the starting point. Then slide the gauge over so the plunger falls into the hole, and then push the hold button to freeze that setting. And then you can pull the gauge out and clearly read the dimensions. The snap gauge also has a mounting lug on the back so you can use it like a dial indicator. If you are a fan of high-precision measuring instruments, the iGaging Digital Measuring EZ-Cal Digital Caliper and Snap Depth Mini Depth Gauge should be of interest. In every way I could check, they appear to be very accurate, repeat well, and are easy to use. I can't think of much more we can ask for measuring tools.